Have you ever wondered about the secret to a harmonious home environment? Ever heard of the Bagua Map? It's a fundamental tool in the practice of Feng Shui, used to decipher the energy of a space and suggest ways to enhance it. This ancient Chinese system can be applied to various scales, from an entire home down to a single room or even a desk. Intriguing, isn't it? So let's dive in and break this ancient tool down. Imagine a square divided into 9 equal parts. Each of these sections, or guas, represents a different aspect of life. First, we have Kan, symbolizing career. It's associated with water and colored in shades of black or blue. This gua is all about your life's journey and the path you're on. Next up is Kun, representing relationships. Earth is its element, and it's adorned with hues of pink and white. Kun is all about love, partnership, and how we relate to others. Then comes Zhen, the gua for family. Its element is wood, and it's represented by the color green. Zhen stands for growth, vitality, and our connections with family and ancestors. Fourth, we have Sun. This is the gua of wealth, symbolized by wood and the color purple. Shun is your prosperity area, relating to abundance and financial security. At the center is Tai Chi, associated with earth and the color yellow. This gua represents health, balance, and our overall well-being. Moving on to Li, the gua of fame. It's connected with fire and the color red. Li stands for recognition, reputation, and how the world perceives us. Next is Qian, symbolizing helpful people. Its element is metal and it's colored gray. Qian represents travel, helpful people, and heavenly aid. The 8th gua is Dui, representing children. Associated with metal and the color white, Dui symbolizes joy, creativity, and the future. Lastly, we have Zhen, the gua of knowledge. Its element is earth, and its colors are blue and black. Zhen is all about wisdom, self-improvement, and personal growth. Now that you know what each area represents, you're probably wondering how to use this in your home. That's where we're heading next. Applying the Bagua map to your home starts with aligning the bottom of the map with the front door of your home. With this initial step, the magic begins to unfold. Each area of your home now corresponds to a different gua or life area. Picture it like a grid overlaying your floor plan, guiding you towards a more balanced lifestyle. For instance, your living room might fall into the family and health gua. To enhance this area, you might add elements of green, wood, and some healthy plants. Or perhaps your bedroom aligns with the love and relationships gua. Here, you'd want to incorporate pairs of objects, the color pink and earthy elements. It's all about creating an environment that reflects and nurtures your life aspirations. The Bagua map is your compass, leading you to a home filled with intention and purpose. With this knowledge, you now have a powerful tool for creating harmony and balance in your home. Remember, the best results come from applying these principles with intention and consistency. So that's the Bagua map broken down for you. We've journeyed through its intriguing sections, each with distinct properties and meanings. We've also explored its significant role in enhancing home design, fostering balance and harmony. We hope this helps you in creating a more harmonious and balanced environment in your home. Until next time, keep the energy flowing.